Hello everyone, today is Chande. So me and my friend we plan to go to the jungle. It's been a long time, we're not going anywhere. Wow, it's so beautiful, so attractive the color. I don't know what's this really. Something maybe wild fruits. So today we are going to pluck some black jamun from our campus. So this is our administrative block. So the black jamun tree is on the way to the examination branch. So this is a shortcut that we are going through. So finally we have reached our destination. So can you see the black jamun tree? There are lots of black jamun full. So today I'm planning to do one experience. Can you see what I'm doing? Actually, I don't remember when I last time climbed the tree during my childhood times, but it's been a long time I'm not climbing. So let's try. Let's remember our childhood days. And here is the outcome being a Tarzan. Can you see? So many ants on my body. Now it's time for plucking. We can pluck as much as we can do. Can you see the black jamun? Wow.